What did ancient humans eat to survive millions of years ago? Imagine waking up millions of years ago with no supermarkets, no fire, and no tools. Just you, nature, and hunger. What would you eat to stay alive? How did ancient humans manage to survive in a world full of predators and uncertainty? Before cities and technology, survival depended entirely on the ability to find food. Our ancestors' diets shaped the evolution of the human body and brain. The story of what they ate is the story of how we became who we are today. The earliest ancestors, like Australopithecus, lived mainly on plants, fruits, nuts, leaves, roots, and seeds. They chewed raw vegetation and sometimes ate insects and bird eggs when food was scarce. Fossilized teeth show wear patterns from both soft fruits and tough plants, proving how they adapted to different environments. Then came a dramatic change. Around 2.5 million years ago, Homo habilis appeared. They began using simple stone tools to scrape meat from animal carcasses left behind by predators. Meat brought more protein and fat, fueling the growth of larger brains. Eating flesh wasn't just about nutrition. It was the first step toward intelligence. Later, Homo erectus mastered fire. For the first time, humans could cook. Cooking made food softer and easier to digest, released more nutrients, and killed bacteria. With less energy spent chewing and digesting, the human body evolved: smaller jaws, shorter guts, and bigger brains. Fire transformed both diet and destiny. As humans spread across the planet, their diets changed with their surroundings. Hunter-gatherers learned to adapt everywhere, from tropical forests to frozen tundras. They hunted animals, fished rivers, gathered berries, and dug up tubers. Their meals reflected the land around them. Some groups near coasts thrived on fish and shellfish rich in omega-3 fats, which further boosted brain development. Others in open grasslands depended on large mammals like bison and antelope. Those in forests survived on fruits, honey, and roots. Variety was key. Diversity in diet meant resilience in survival. Ancient humans also developed cooperation through food. Hunting in groups built social bonds. Sharing meals created trust and communication. Around fires, language began to form. The act of eating together helped humans build culture. Over time, humans learned to control nature instead of just surviving in it. Agriculture began about 10,000 years ago, ending millions of years of hunting and gathering. Farming created stable food supplies, but it also narrowed diets and introduced new health problems. Yet without it, civilization would never have formed. The evolution of diet is the evolution of humanity itself, from scavenging raw plants to cooking feasts around the fire. Every bite our ancestors took shaped our brains, bodies, and societies. The next time you eat, remember, your meal is part of a story that began millions of years ago when survival depended on whatever could be found, caught, or cooked.